B1 level Schreiben, email Schreiben. Today we'll see how to write an email for B1 level German. So look at the question carefully and try to understand the answer. This is the question. You can read out. Ihr Freund Martin liegt im Krankenhaus, weil sich bei einem Unfall das rechte Bein gebrochen hat. Sie haben ihn gestern besucht und schreiben einem Freund, einer Freundin, der die Martin auch kennt. So it means your friend Martin is in the hospital because he has broken his leg. You have already visited him yesterday and now you are writing to a friend who already knows Martin. So there are 3 points. You need to describe these points in your answer. And your answer should be around 80 words. Beschreiben Sie, wie geht es Martin? Begründen Sie, was braucht in seiner Situation? Machen Sie einen Vorschlag für einen gemeinsamen Besuch. These are the 3 questions like how is Martin now, what he needs in this situation, and suggest a visit, an appointment so that you both can visit Martin together. Now I have prepared the answer. You can also write answer in your own manner, but this is just a help for you. You can get an idea and you can write your own answer. And please give me your feedback in the comment section. How do you like this email writing? I will write some more email for you as well as for others level B2 C1 also. So this is the email. You can read out. You can read it in a very peaceful manner. And after that I have written some vocabulary on the next slide so that you can also read for your help. That is also useful for your help. These are some word charts, vocabulary that has been used here in this email. So thanks for watching. See you next time in the new video. Bye bye. Take care.